So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito, free agency po tayo kabola. May pag-uusapan po tayo sa MBPL kabola. And isasuggest ko po yung top 3 teams sa PBA na dapat po siyang i-consider. Then we will talk about Baltasar kabola. And then the Phoenix Northport game. So sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. No? Pero dito muna tayo sa dope na comments po ng mga fans. Ace Pineda, Pasaul, then smiley face or laughing pala. Alberto Dalo, buot ka 1 year imong nawong. Hindi ko po yun naintindihan. Randy Falquita, Tila, fake news, sabi naman niya. Elmar Magallanes, pa-shoutout Lods, shoutout po, salamat po sa suporta. Rolly Ishido, 1 year lang kasi pag di uubra sa PBA, babalik sa MPBL kabola. Most of the time, ganyan po yan. Plantar fasciitis, Converge, Bong Quinto, Meralco, Winston, Ambohot, Andrade, round pick. Of course, that is not realistic, kabola. Masyadong panalo po dyan, kabola, ang Meralco Bulls. I think Winston is a much better or has a much better trade value than Bong Quinto, kabola. Baka pwede po yung Ambohot, Andrade, then second round pick para po kay Bong Quinto. Yun, medyo acceptable, kabola. Pero knowing nga po yung connection nitong si Andrade kay Coach Daniel Duponce, medyo hindi ako makikita na mangyayari po yan. Now, panalo nga ng Phoenix yung game nila against Northport. So, first victory po ng Phoenix, then first defeat naman po ng Northport. So, for me, wala lang, shocking kasi yung result, kabola. Kasi Phoenix, for me, is on the right track. Again, I believe they need to follow the lead of Converge. They need to try to get a top 3 pick, kabola. Kasi a top 3 pick, I think in the 2025 will secure them and easily a blue chip prospect, kabola. Diba? The blue chip prospect that they can add to their current core, and I think their future will be much brighter. On the other hand, Northport naman, they just humanize them now, especially in the eyes of fans. Of course, daming fans kulat sa kanilang magandang start, kabola. Pero with this defeat, medyo na-humanize na ulit sila sa mata po ng mga fans. But we still hope, kabola, na yun nga, normal na or talagang seryoso na po ang Northport in trying to win games. Yun talaga yung hope natin dito. Now, ito napasagot po ng isang columnist po ng Spin.ph. Ito pong si Jordan Clarkson sa isa sa mga pinaka crucial na tanong sa kanya po regarding Gilas, kabola. Is he willing to play there, kabola? Still? And he said, of course, yes, it will be dope daw, kabola, to be playing under Coach Tim Cone. Pero again, this will be a very, very, in a way, interesting question mark for Coach Tim Cone. Knowing nga po na naturalize pa rin ang labas po niyan nitong si Jordan Clarkson kung maglalaro siya sa FIBA affiliated po na mga games, kabola. Unless hindi FIBA affiliated po yung lalaroan niya. Pero now, will he choose Clarkson over Brownlee? For me pa rin naman, it's very obvious, skill-wise, mas magaling po si Clarkson. Now, what will happen if that happens? Diba? Gaano po kagaling si Coach Tim Cone? Papakita na naman niya yung kahusayan niya, yung greatness niya, kabola, in maximizing ang Clarkson kung sakasakali. And of course, we also want to talk about ito nga pong si Justin Baltasar, kabola, who played his first 2 games at the recording of this video. And medyo hindi maganda yung mga first 2 games niya. The first game, 6 rebounds, 8 points, kabola, 5 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists pala, sorry, kabola, yung kanyang stats. Then the second game, kabola, is 4.7 rebounds, 4 assists, kabola. So not monstrous numbers, and of course, fans, even the majority siguro ng fans on Converge expected monstrous numbers kasi grabe yung hype, no? Grabe yung hype, kabola, kay Justin Baltasar. Pero remember lang, kabola, even ito pong si Fajardo did not dominate right away. He was not the rookie of the year. Remember, diba? It was Calvin Abeba. So, kung si Baltasar man na hindi po mag-monster dito sa kanyang rookie season, kabola, wag agad kayo panghihinaan ng loob. And the signs naman po is nandoon that he can be a monster dito po sa PBA. Now, speaking of MPBL, the guy that I'm talking about is no other than ito nga pong si Macaloni. Ano po? Macaloni, an undersized big man who has 3 straight MPBL first mythical team recognition po, kabola. For me, he deserves another chance in the PBA, and I think this is the top 3 teams that should consider him. First one will be Barangay Ginebra. Ba't po Barangay Ginebra? Kasi ito yung klase ng big man na medyo wala sila, kabola. Someone who is very intelligent but undersized, kabola, na klase po ng big man Makaloni will bring that muscle, kabola. He will bring that inside operation that they need. NLEX Road Warriors, one of the teams that badly need a big man. Kabola, ang kagandaan dito, of course, Makaloni with his high IQ, basketball, malamang maganda po yung magiging fit niya kay Robert Bolick. Then the number 1 for me will be Northport Batang PR. Same lang sila ng NLEX actually, in terms of need ng big man, kabola. Pero kinakagandaan niyan, Northport has a very, very tall wing guard rotation, kabola, that will fit well with an undersized big man like Makaloni. And Makaloni again can play a modern offense, kabola. So for me, these are top 3 teams I should consider targeting him. Kababal, sino dapat makapagpapirma kay Makaloni? Comment na po sa baba.